This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, May 14th. I'm Keaton Brown. On Friday, baseball defeated Norview with an impressive score of 14-1. Dalton Barham ran his record 4-0. Jacob Bradford, Wes Bonney, and Kennedy Jones got 2 hits each. Softball fell to Norview 7-8. Girls soccer won an impressive 9-0 over Indian River. Abby Urban scored 4 goals. Boys soccer beat Indian River 3-1, and Tucker Sanford scored 2 goals. On Monday, boys tennis won 5-0 over Kempsville, and girls tennis also won 5-0 against Nansemond River. Now here's Marche in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Keaton. The JV and varsity baseball teams take on Granby. The varsity plays home, while the JV at Maury. Both games begin at 4 p.m. Meanwhile, the softball team also hosts Granby. That game also begins at 4. Tomorrow, the softball team will make up a game against Norview at Norview starting at 4. Lastly, the boys and girls soccer team travel to Wilson with girls at 5 and boys at 7. Finally, a big congratulations is in order for the girls lacrosse team, who defeated War Hill 10-9 to advance to Friday's league championship game. Be sure to support your Maury Commodores. Back to you, Keaton.
Thanks, Marche. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's all for Tuesday's Commodore News. I'm Keaton Brown, and have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.
Ain't nobody got time for that.